In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website's buttons with custom CSS. Whether you're looking to enhance your site's visual appeal or maintain consistency with your brand's unique style, adding a specific font to your buttons can make all the difference. We'll take you step by step through this straightforward process, ensuring that even if you're new to CSS, you'll be able to follow along effortlessly. First, let's navigate to your design settings. This is where all the magic happens, the heart of your website's aesthetics. Here, you'll find a variety of options to tweak and customize, but today, our focus will be on custom CSS, which gives you the flexibility to make changes that specifically tailor your site's look and feel. Now that we're in the custom CSS section, let's zero in on targeting your buttons. This part is essential because by specifying the button elements, your CSS styles will apply only to them and not to other parts of your website. To get started, you'll need to identify the class or ID of the buttons you want to style. If you're unsure how to do this, you can use your browser's Inspect tool. Right-click on the button, select Inspect, and look for the class or ID in the HTML code. Once you have that information, you're ready to apply your CSS. Next, it's time to add your desired font family to those buttons. In your custom CSS editor, you'll begin by creating a style block that targets the button class or ID you've identified. It should look something like this: button class name, font family, your font, sans serif. Replace button class name with the actual class or ID of your button, and your font with the name of the font you want to apply. Make sure your font is web safe or properly imported via a service like Google Fonts, ensuring it displays correctly across all devices and browsers. For example, if your chosen font isn't a standard web font, you'll need to include an import statement at the top of your CSS file. Once you've applied your custom CSS, double-check it for any errors. The smallest typo can prevent your styles from displaying correctly. Use your browser's developer tools to see a preview